Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And boy howdy, today I got another one. Yeah, another one from Zen Pop. Clearing out all the Zen Pop varieties that I've got in quick succession. Today I've got one from, not that's because I want to get rid of them or anything, but just because they're really easy to set up. There's like a bunch of copy that I can just like paste in at the header of the posts, so I can get the images and the posts done and crank out 4 a day and not lose any sleep. This one is Maruchan Miso Dashi Shitate, and it's from Japan. Yeah, you can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And you might have seen the regular version of this elsewhere. And yeah, so it's like shrimpy miso. And check out this guy on the back. That's pretty neat. But anyways, yeah, what's shaking? Crazy. Not too crazy, but a bit crazy. So I need a this. The what's going on today? Well, we got a new little friend. We got a new little friend, ladies and gentlemen. A new little friend. A guinea pig. And she's a real sweetie, and I'll let you see her in a minute. Let me get this going. She's a nice guinea pig. You know, we lost our big fluffy one named Louise about a week or two ago. And we just felt like there's kind of been a little bit of a void in the guinea pig world in there. And we were like, my wife had a doctor's appointment over in the area, and she was like, what if we went to that pet store we like to go to next to the Asian grocery you like to go to? I'm like, well, I like to go to the Asian grocery. So we went over to the Asian grocery, and then we had to like tool around for about an hour to kill some time, have some breakfast and something. And then we went in there, and then we met Myrtle. And I will let you meet Myrtle. Come with me. I'm gonna try to pick her up so you can meet her. Hey, you. Excited you. Oh, come on. Come on. People want to say hi. Oh, I know. I'm not as good as Mom is with picking you guys up, am I? Come on. You're okay. Come on. Let me get a piece of lettuce. Here's one. There you go, Myrtle Squirtle. Here you go. There you go. Come on. Here. Let me do this. This is Myrtle. Check out that dew. See why it was like, which end's the front? Yeah, she's like a dust mop. And apparently her, a rabbit, and another guinea pig, which I think we might be going to get today, they were abandoned in a box on a hot day in front of the Fred Meyer in Renton, Washington. Isn't that sad? Yeah. But Myrtle's really happy here. And there's Petunia. Hey, Toonie. And then there's way back there, we got Betty. Betty's like, I don't know, all these long hair hippie guinea pigs that are invading my zone. They're not too stoked on that. She's not. She was trying to they do this whole thing about asserting dominance, and Betty usually is the alpha piggy. But yeah, Myrtle was like, whatever. I think Betty was trying to shove her face out of the food bowl. And Myrtle just like, literally like, went boom and bumped her with her butt and knocked her out of the way. It was pretty funny. But it's been pretty peaceful in there. So that is a fun thing. Really stoked. So yeah. And I was kind of meh about going down to California for the holidays, but now I'm kind of getting pumped about it. Especially since flying down there. It's crazy. It's like $140 to fly down. But when we need to come back, it's $141 per ticket. So we need 4 of those for all of us. And on the way back, it'll be $400 per ticket. Yeah, it's ridiculous. They know. But ladies and gentlemen, here we are. It's miso time. Let's give this a try. Ibidashi miso shitate. Itadakimasu. Definitely getting the shrimp aspect. It's like a shrimp miso. Very strong. The aroma is interesting too. Not bad. Get some of the bits. There's a pretty decent amount of bits and pieces going on here. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now it is time to do what I do. Yeah, it's been a weird day. I'll let you know more about the weirdness on the next episode. Not exceedingly weird, but weird enough to make it interesting. Mildly interesting is a great subreddit on Reddit. Check it out. Since the tonkatsu I made is just too dang big, I'm just gonna start tearing them in half. There we are. And since all things are made more fun with a little bit of fire, let's torch this sucker. Yay. Okay. I don't like when it does that, I gotta admit. Kind of freaks me out. So we got that. Let's add an egg. It's egg time. Time for egg. Let's see if we can get this egg here to cooperate nicely. Made these this morning. Maybe a little too much. It's funny. I have a love-hate relationship with these eggs. They're from Amazon Fresh. They're not bad. They're not bad eggs. They're good eggs. Went and got some of the. Actually, I'll put that in a second. Got some Narutomaki over at Wajimaya. I wasn't sure if they were going to have it there, but luckily they did, as they should. Not my favorite Narutomaki. That I gotta go down to Seattle for. I haven't gotten that in a long time. One of these days I'll get down there and get it. It's a little sweeter and a little more tender. This stuff is very of the factory. I even got gamaboko. And some seeds. And some shichimi. And that is where I'm going to leave this with you today. Wish I could find my my shredded seaweed. That would be kind of neat. Haven't used that in a while. I'll have to look around for it. Kind of dig. Well, thank you very much for spending a little bit of your magical day with me, the Ramen Raider. The next one we'll have is another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Ace Cook Maru Uma Totori Gyokatsu Ramen, which is, I guess it's kind of like, got like a beef flavor. I think that's what the gyo in gyokatsu is. Where the don in tonkatsu is pork. I think. I'm going with that. But sweet, beefy, black peppery. You can see it tomorrow on this show. Enjoy!